To get directly to search, you can just press the F key on your keyboard. Notice your cursor jumps directly to the search box. The rest of your navigation can be done easily in the Awesome box. You can go from posting to someone, to searching for a phrase, to jumping to a different page, and you can do all this by pressing Tab. What is happening, you can simply write to someone. For the search a phrase, you can type in any phrase that you're looking for, click on search, and everything with the phrase that you typed in will appear. The next one, if you press tab one more time, is the jump to. For here, you can jump to any page by typing @ followed by the profile which you wish to jump to. Press go to and it will take you directly to that page.